हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल द ऑरा। ये जगह आप लोगों को काफ़ी जाना पहचाना लग रहा होगा क्योंकि यहाँ से हम लोग बहुत सारा ब्लॉग का शुरुआत करते हैं। बट राइट नाउ अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है तो मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ। मैं जो आया हूँ यहाँ दो नया डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बात करने के लिए। फर्स्ट इज़ इंडियन सोशल मीडिया एंड सेकेंड एन इंडियन file hosting site. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. जी हाँ, this is the site squeak.in. This is gonna be the social media site for Squeak, and as you visit this site you will find a counter as it says 109 days left. As per the officials, this site will be on air by 15th of August. So exactly 109 days and 9 hours left to this site to be on air. There isn't anything much available on this site. It only says to get an early access, enter your email to subscribe. I did my part. I subscribed to this site, and if you go to the social media on Twitter, this site says first thing which we have got, it says a video squeaks, and this site will pay to the video creator or the content creator for sharing their video. So this gonna be India's very own video hosting site. This is a really good news for all content creators for India. And if we move on, we find another video. This is about the social media site, which is said, as I mentioned to you earlier, Squeaks.in, that will be on air by 15th of August. And as we move on, there isn't much information available. There is a thread right here which says timeline with 360 characters limit, geolocation tag, Squeaks, like, share Squeaks, put Squeaks, one or more multiple pictures posting, one or multiple video sharing. So there isn't any official words from the owner of this site. There isn't any official confirmation what should be the interface or how it looked like. But as per this thread is concerned, we think this gonna be looked like Twitter, and like Facebook, because Facebook has much more option than this. At least from the starting, this are should be the options which will have. So be a part of this social media revolution in India. And I would definitely say to everyone, please join this thing, because this is our own very own social media. This is gonna be our very own social media, and I have no doubt that people will encourage everyone to go to this site. So this is it from our side, and if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends. And sharing is obviously important because people are not known about these things. People should know about this thing because this is a made in India project, and we need to support this thing. If we can support Twitter, Facebook, then we can support our very own media also. So share it with your friends, and this is the time to stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much.